Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. This is video for pages 3 and 4 of the Craft with Heart scrapbooking videos series that I am working on. So we already completed these and this is the next set of pages. I have everything pretty much prepped, so I'm just going to get busy and let you see how it comes together. And here they are, complete, pages 3 and 4 of the May Close to My Heart Craft with Heart scrapbooking subscription. Super cute, ready for photos. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed crafty day, and I'll see you next time.